Okay, so you want to know how to juggle. Here's how you juggle. You take three similar objects in weight that are similar in size as well. You take two in one hand and two in one hand and one in the other, okay? So you're going to throw one up this way and this one goes that way. So you go like that. Once you got that, you can keep it going. So it's going to be, it's quick. You got to think fast. So you go this way, this way, this way. I mean, I'm not exactly the best, but I know the basics. So you throw one that way while this is still in, the other one's still in your hand. You throw that one that way. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, come on. Yay. Oh. Now another trick is to take two and do it with one hand. I don't know if this is easier or not, but you kind of throw one up to go like this while you throw that one up to go like this. And then you keep it going. Watch. Wait.
Daddy. Talking to. Daddy.
Oh, I'm making a YouTube video about how to juggle.
Oh.
So that's it, guys. That's the basics of juggling. So make sure you subscribe to me because I have a lot of cool stuff on my channel. And it's not all about juggling. It's all kinds of crazy stuff. So talk to you soon.